What's up guys, Shu here. Today we're going to install a quick release on his car. Show me a quick release.
This is my quick release, you know, just carbon fiber, the adapter. This is actual carbon fiber, you know, haters are going to say it's fake, but you know, this is real.
From Fast and Furious, right?
Yeah, that one car.
Alright, so first we're going to start by taking off this bolt and taking off this bolt. Shouldn't be too hard. Here we go. Oh damn.
That's Pablo right there.
Okay, so to take this bolt off, you gotta use a ratchet, and for the celica it's like 19, size 19, so shouldn't be too hard. Okay, pretty easy. Oh, and disconnect your airbag first before it blows in your face. Obviously disconnect the battery. Oh fuck.
Oh, fuck.
That was funny. There we go. Look at this ugly thing. You don't need this. Frisbee. Car better not explode right now. Oh, I see. So the guy said this would fit?
Mm-hmm.
You just put it in like that?
I think.
Alright. I don't know, man. Or does it go backwards? No.
Push up the paper?
No, because this thing would only go here. It's not going to hold it. Alright guys, so the adapter that this kid got from Swap Meet didn't fit his car. So we had to go to Panado and get an NRG adapter. Try it out.
Alright, we can
Huh?
Alright, we can eat now. It fits.
Alright, it fits. Let's have some tacos first. What are you doing, man?
Looking at this?
Yeah? What are you gonna get for the EF?
Don't know. Probably just one of these.
Alright. That looks green. I think your car's blue though.
Oh, I'm full. Yeah, same here. Hey, Pablo, are you full? Oh, wait, you didn't get any food.
Okay. Alright guys, so we just came back from Panado and we got the correct hold it. The correct adapter for the celica. Looks a lot different from the one that we had before.
I don't know what the fuck he sold me.
This thing looks fake. This is trash. You don't need
Wait, I need my 30 bucks back.
Alright, so let's see how this goes. You can get closer, man. You can move the camera, you know. Alright, where's the bolt? Who has the bolt? Where's the bolt go? Where's the... Oh, sorry. We'll connect the horn later, but...
So everyone get the fuck out of my way.
Out of my way, bitch. There we go. Nice and tight. And what's your dad doing?
Talking to the guy in the Datsun.
Datsun? A Datsun?
Yeah.
Say like Australian people. Datsun.
Datsun.
A Datsun?
Yeah, Datsun.
Datsun.
Hey, y'all better stop. You guys are gonna lose Australian subscribers.
Hey, you better subscribe. Alright, let's go check out the Datsun. The Datsun with the SR20 in it. yours? Yeah, it's nice, man. You just get it?
No, man, it,
Is it cool if I get it on film? You're making me for a video. Thanks, man. This thing is clean.
la máquina yo dentro también, ¿no? ¿Qué traes? 350, ¿no? ¿Qué máquina traes? 350, ¿no?
¿Cuál?
El carrito este.
¿280?
Sí, pero ¿qué máquina trae el motor?
La verdad no sé, apenas lo compré.
¿Oh,
3
sí?
años, pero lo
¿sí?
tenía guardado en el garage.
Oh, sí.
No,
Una chulada que anda haciendo el último motorazo que trae.
1500 lo agarré.
¿1500? Oh, Jonito, 1500 lo agarró.
Está bien.
Ah, bien, ¿cómo no?
Yeah. I would have bought it for that price.
Yeah.
Little paint job. Put a RB26 in it. Bam!
Instead of that one, I would have wanted this one.
With the intercooler on the front.
Let's go on the rock.
Damn. That thing's nice.
Gracias.
That's a good buy, man.
Thanks, man.
Oh shit, it's fucking hot out here. These old springs. There we go. Here, you can put your drugs in there.
I don't do drugs. Pablo, here, you use cocaine, don't you?
Now what's wrong with that?
Oh, fucking A, man. No, it works, it works.
See, guys, you can buy NRG stuff and Swami stuff and they go perfectly fine.
Someone got scared.
Why you gonna scare me like that?
Someone wasn't gonna make it to work today. We would have to make another trip to Penn Auto.
Steal another 100 from my mom.
Somebody was gonna get me another burrito.
You're gonna find a name.
She's gonna find a charge on her bill that says Penn Auto.
She's gonna be like, what, fun?
Pan Auto. What's Pan Auto?
Auto.
Look at Pablo.
Pan Auto.
Pan Auto. Alright. Oh, it worked. Where's the quick release? Give me a quick release. So you put this in here. Oh. How the hell do you put a quick release on, man? Oh, there we go. Cameraman number 2.
That's me.
We don't want to get shanked.
Don't subscribe, my
Here we go. Damn. Hey, this is a nice looking steering wheel, man.
Yeah, I told
Made out
you.
of carbon fiber. You got the Ferrari sign right there, but it's red. Steering wheel's off. And steering wheel is on. You like it?
Yep.
I think it looks good. He's happy.
Happy campers.
Alright guys, well that's it for today. It's just a little install on the quick release for this kid. He might be getting a Momo or Sparkle steering wheel later on. But for now, he looks like he's happy.
call sign.